Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can convert any photo into Ghibli art style photo. You guys can see here these kinds of photos are getting very popular on social media. So I'll show you how you can get this in your phone, how you can create it. So the easy way is you can use any AI assistant like ChatGPT or DeepSeek, anyone you want. So just install any of the application. I will recommend you to go with the Grok. It's in the betas right now, but still you can use it. This application is running really good, but it's kind of slow because it's new, and I would say the servers are not as powerful as it should be, but still getting popular really fast. Okay, so open this app here, and as you guys can see here, I'm using this app. You can sign in into this app, but still I won't recommend because of course a Chinese app. Still, anyhow, click on plus icon and click on camera or photos. So import any photo you want, like click on done, and just give a command. You can say convert it convert it into Ghibli style art photo or Ghibli style photo, right? So just give the command. Oh, it says message limited reached. So I would say you can sign in into your application, or the other thing you can do is, because I have already created two photos, so what I will do, I'll create data. I hope it will work. So if in your case, if you're facing this issue, you can use this trick, clear data, clear cache memory. There we go. Let's open this app. I'll skip this and hit on photos, and I'll add this photo here, and I'll say convert it into Ghibli style photo. There you go. So I'll set my age as 2000. There you go. As it says working on it. So let's see how it works. So as you guys can see here, it says system is overloaded, so it's not making my photos. So what I can do, I can just simply use any of the AI assistant and convert any photo into Ghibli style. So as you guys can see here in my iPhone 16, I just used ChatGPT, and I asked it change it into Ghibli image. It says I wasn't able to generate the requested image, blah blah. So I just again command the chat GPT and says just convert it into Ghibli art image, and it gave me this photo. So I can just simply save it into my photos app here, and that's it. I'm good to go. So if your Grok app is not working, you can use any AI image or AI assistant. So this is the simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.